When you leave, do it with peace of mind. Thanks to intuitive monitoring and notifications, you're never more than a click away from your most precious valuables. The hidden external camera's live feed lets you see who is on the outside from anywhere in the world. Packaged in a sleek and innovative design that fits where you want it to, discreetly, where no one needs to know. The door includes a massive 10-inch touch display and a 1mm thick tempered glass screen, equipped with an advanced biometric sensor that allows access from any angle. With plenty of room for all your valuables, and 2 LED strips that fully light the interior. An optional removable shelf allows for extra storage, and installs in seconds. Charge any device with the 2 inner USB ports. Check on your valuables from anywhere with the stealthy built-in camera, so you're protected from open to shut. Add access for the users you trust. Grant temporary access for emergencies or visitors with a one-time PIN code. Two-way talk allows you to speak, hear and see what's going on anytime, anywhere. Use the app to set temperature and humidity alerts and customize the exterior lights to be the color and brightness level you choose. Motion sensing accelerometers detect any unwanted movement, so intruders don't stand a chance. For optimum security, keep tabs with a never-ending activity log. Plug in the discrete USB-C adapter to any active outlet for continuous power. If the power goes out, the hidden backup lithium-ion battery activates to keep your device running. Over-the-air updates ensure you are current with constantly evolving features. Keep watch, and if you don't recognize who is on the outside, easily lock down your device, sound an alarm, and notify 911, all within the app. Built to withstand up to 3,300 pounds of force, to arm what matters most. Be in total control with the SpaceSafe 2. Developing secure and user-friendly products for your space.
Hey, I'm Oscar Hedaya, and I'm the founder of Space. According to the FBI, there's a break-in every 26 seconds, and it averages police 10 minutes to get to the scene. Even if you have a security system, that's plenty of time for an intruder to steal whatever they want. That's why we created the SpaceSafe. We've taken a bulky, bland, outdated product and injected it with the latest technology. Safes haven't changed in over 20 years, and they still look like the boxes from over 100 years ago, before Bonnie and Clyde's era. And we're here to bring them to the 21st century. If someone attempts to access your safe, instantly get notified and watch the live feed. The necklace your grandmother left you, the money you have lying around, the earrings your husband gave you, or the passport that would take you over 20 hours to replace if stolen. We spend years accumulating our assets, so why not protect them? Just think of it as a mini insurance plan. Thanks to incredible innovations and the most cutting-edge technologies, the patent-pending SpaceSafe was designed to help you secure your valuables, no matter where you are. With remote monitoring, internal and external cameras, multiple user profiles, guest access, a touchscreen display, and so much more. Oh, and the best part is, it doesn't even look like a safe. Gone are the days of huge dials with small numbers and clunky handles. The SpaceSafe's sleek design looks like an iPad and will protect everything you own.